Greetings, Dwayne, CFRN. We are taking a look at the one trade a day trades from Friday, the 6th day of November, 2015. Now, in the previous video, I showed you how to get there. Did I not? Well, just in case I didn't, let's do it. By the way, if you want to take our 1 week free trial in the live trading room, it is absolutely free. No credit card required. We don't need your mother's maiden name or any of that. Just your name and email address will do. Now, we hate spam as much as you do, so here's the deal. You're going to get an automated confirmation email that you must respond to. You've got to click the confirmation link. Once you do that, and only after you do that, will we actually be notified that you really do want to take the free trial. As quickly as our fingers will carry us across a keyboard, we'll send you out an email by hand, the old-fashioned way, that gives you the link and the password to get into the live trading room next week. You'll also get a link to a page that has information on downloading the platform so that you can use our indicators, trade along with us next week, and practice. Unless you actually get the indicators onto your screen, whether you use the DT Pro platform or the Ninja platform, whichever one you choose, it's important that you put on and take off trades over the course of the week. And I don't mean just simply try to copy Michael's trades in the live trading room. All that will do is, one, frustrate you, and two, by the end of the week, you'll be convinced that he's a really good trader and you're not, okay? Here's what you want to do. You want to listen and learn during the 2 hours of the live trading room. Watch, listen, ask questions, and learn. When the live trading room is over for the day, you now have 22 hours to go and practice what you just learned. I'm going to provide you with the platform, the data, the indicators. We've taught you the strategy. It's that simple that we can explain the strategy to you the first day of your free trial in 2 hours. No, you won't be a master at it, but you'll be able to pull it off. Maybe with a little confusion, perhaps you'll fumble the ball, that's okay. Every question that arises during the next 22 hours as you practice, write them down. Next morning, live trading in the live trading room, once again, now's the time to ask those questions. Hey, last night I was trying to trade the S&P and I did this and this and that happened. What should I do? Michael and I will both be on hand to give you the answer. At some point during your 5-day free trial, we really should get together for a private mentoring session. In other words, instead of it being live markets, me, you, Michael, and a room full of people, it'll just be you and I, or you and Michael, alone in a room with a live market, and you'll feel more at ease, perhaps, to ask questions. We want you to ask questions in the live trading room, but it's in the personal mentoring session that we really get down to the nitty-gritty. At the end of the 5-day period, now it's 5 consecutive trading days. So while it is good if you can start on a Monday, you are also welcome to start on a Wednesday. You will get 5 consecutive trading days in the live trading room, okay? Ask questions. I can't repeat it enough. No one's going to judge you. The only one who can see what you type is myself and Michael. So ask, ask, ask. We won't get angry. We won't get frustrated. We won't snip or snap. We'll just answer the question. That's why we're all there, to learn and to grow together. So I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room. Now, for the one trade a day, go to cfrn.net, not net, yes, One trade a day, just like that. Tells you everything you need to know. It even gives you an opportunity. Oh, and I really encourage you to read this article, The Truth About Trading. I guess in order to read that article, you've got to be logged in. Okay. Guess I better show you how to get a login until I change that. cfrn.net/free Emini Trades. Oh boy. Free Emini Trades. Okay, that takes you here. You get signed up here. Now, once you're all signed up there, but wait, there's more. Go to, it's the same URL with registration on the end of it. You're going to get an email telling you to do this. I'm just trying to help you get there sooner than later. This is where you get to pick a username and a password, okay? Apparently, that article that I was encouraging you to go read, The Truth About Trading, I've put that behind a password-protected page. So you're going to get two things. You're going to get the free trades, which there'll be another one Sunday night at 7 p.m. Eastern. This Sunday night, November the 8th, at 7 p.m. Eastern, there will be another free trade. You got to be registered to get it. And that's also at the moment where you go to read the Truth About Trading. I'm gonna change that though, so it depends upon when you listen to this video. I'm gonna guess that by the time you listen to this video, perhaps it might be as simple as cfrn.net, Emini radio blog, view recent posts, and it'll be right here. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. All right. So back to the one trade a day. You sign up here. It's $75 per market per month. That means you're going to get a trade every day, Monday through Friday, for the entire month. $75 per market. There's a minimum of 2 markets. The markets you have to choose from are the S&P, the Dow, the Russell, the Euro, soybeans, crude, bonds, and gold. Today I'm going to be changing these documents to include those selections, and you'll be able to just circle right at the top what you'd like. Okay? And then there's just more information on this page. If somehow you think you're not on our mailing list, you can jump on board right there. There's a few examples, some charts. Okay. And a reminder that trading's risky. You can lose all of your money. A hard stop can be jumped in a really fast market. You should consult a professional. And trading's not easy, but it can be simple. One Trade a Day is wholly owned by CFRN and is not endorsed by or affiliated with Gain Capital, OEC, Daniels Trading, or any broker serviced by the iBroker app. Friday in the S&P 500 Emini Futures, we sent out our published, and that's how it works. It's published. And once it's published at 10:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, you go to the top secret page. I guess I'll go ahead and show you. You talked me into it. EminiFuturesTrading.com. You'll be presented with a password-protected page. Select your market. So if you've subscribed to the S&P 500, you'll go click username. You'll be provided with the password to the markets you subscribe to. So on November the 6th, 2015, we said to consider being long above 2092 or short below 2076. Now, as a trader, do I have a bias? Do I really think the market's going higher or lower? Yes. Most traders, if they've been trading for any length of time, will look at a chart and immediately, it's a compulsion. You can't stop it. You go, oh yeah, we're going higher from here. Or, oh, definitely going lower. Bottom going to fall out. Well, I've been wrong. And so each time I give you a trade, I'm going to evaluate the trade. And if I think the market's going to go higher, I'm going to give you the very best possible long entry that I can. And even though I think the market's going higher, when I'm done with that work, I'm going to spin my ball cap around backwards so the brim's pointing the other way. And I'm going to give you the best short entry that I can. Even if I don't think it's going to go lower, I want you to have the ammunition that you need to have a successful day of trading. Okay? And so here's what happened on Friday, November the 6th, 2015. 2092, 2076. As we roll to the right, price triggers. Now, perhaps I should explain. Long above 2092. The first spot above 2092 is, you got it, 2092.25. So that's your trigger. That puts you long. You can buy on a stop and be long 2092.25. Now the swing high was 2093.75. That's 6 ticks, not 8. If you're trading the 2420 blueprint, what we look for each day is $100 per contract per day. When you master $100 per contract per day, following the blueprint, you can grow from 1 contract to 20 contracts over a period of 24 months. And if you take 100 and multiply it times 20, well, that does become substantial. Now, when you add your second contract, after you've increased your account balance by $2,000, now that you're trading 2 contracts, you don't have to do more work. You don't have to get more points. You don't have to run faster or jump higher. You do the same thing. Make $100 a day. When you get up to 5 contracts, wow, boy, that must be tough. No. You go make $100. The fact that you're trading 5 contracts, that all takes care of itself. You don't even think about it. In fact, the less you think about it, the better off you'll be. Also, one of our rules of aggressive risk management is we move our stop to break even at 4 ticks. At 4 ticks, the stop goes to break even. The S&P is a market where it takes 8 ticks to make $100 per contract per day, because this market pays $12.50 per tick. Other markets pay $10 per tick. Bonds pay $31.25 per tick. But the S&P, soybeans, and the euro pay $12.50 per tick. At 4 points profit, our stop goes to break even. That means we have no risk on the trade. At 5 ticks profit, I highly suggest that you lock in 1 tick, because this will pay the commission on the trade. Okay? Now, you're at 6 looking for 8. Can you only lock in 1? No. As a matter of fact, at 6, you could lock in 4. Yeah, but gosh, that's only 2 ticks. Well, certainly I'll get stopped out if I do that. Okay. If you get stopped out with 4 ticks profit, guess what? That's 50% of your daily production. Now, if there's truly some momentum behind this move, it'll just keep cruising right on through the 8 tick mark. Ding, ding. But if there is a lack of momentum in the move and it turns around and comes back on you, you had 6 ticks on the table. You were 2 ticks shy of glory land. Wouldn't it nice as a consolation prize to be able to walk away with at least 4 ticks? That's half, 50% of your entire daily production in one trade. And oh, the good news is you get 10 trades a day to make your $100. And if you don't use all 10, any unused trades from today or yesterday or even the day before, they roll forward and forward and forward. And they just keep rolling forward like a big snowball rolling downhill. They never go bad, never expire. Now, when you come to sit down at your platform 2-3 months into this, and you look in your desk drawer where you keep your rollover trades, and you see that you have 78 rollover trades in the desk drawer. That's in your left desk drawer. And you look in your right desk drawer, and you have 3, 4, 5, 6 days of profit percentages that have rolled over. Because see, some days you'll get stopped out with 3 ticks, you'll get stopped out with 4 ticks, then you'll run to the target, and before you know it, you've got 125% of your daily goal, 150% of your daily goal. So just like we roll forward those unused trades, we roll forward any profit overage, okay? So that makes you feel really at peace and centered when you sit down. Left drawer, full of rollover trades. Right drawer, filled to the brim with rollover percentages. Not because you're trying to outdistance your daily goal, it's just that some days it happens. Let's say you're trading a 10-tick market. You get stopped out with 3 ticks, then you get stopped out with 4 ticks, then you actually hit your 10-tick goal. That's 17 ticks. That's 170% of your daily goal. 100 goes in the bank, 70% rolls over in the kitty. Follow? We even have, courtesy of one of our partners, Dan S., he built an app just for the CFRN partners. It's in the members area of our website. You can download it once you become a partner at no additional charge. It's a daily performance tracker. It's a beautiful little dashboard. You export your info out of your trading platform, DT Pro or Ninja, at the end of each trading day into the performance tracker, and it, in a marvelous way, keeps track of your rollover trades and your rollover percentages. You don't even have to look in the desk drawer if you don't want to. Sometimes you want to just pull the drawer open and say, hey, how you guys doing? Awesome, right? But you don't have to. You can use the performance tracker. All designed to give you a sense of peace and serenity when you sit down to go to work, not that tense, tied up in a knot feeling that you've dealt with for years perhaps. Going to work literally makes me sick because my stomach tightens up. My palms get all sweaty. I got clumps of hair missing, right? If you get started with our methodology, it's possible that that hair could grow back. So, you either get stopped out, worst case is you get stopped out at break even. A little better than that would be getting stopped out at break even plus 1. And a little better than that would be to get stopped out with 4 ticks or 50% of your daily production. As we continue rolling to the right, trigger, a little bit of a drawdown, and then off we go. And we hit a high of 2094.25. That's our 8 ticks for the day. Now, if you picked up 8 here and 4 there, wow, that would be 12 ticks, wouldn't it? That would be 150% of your daily production. So on Friday, it was actually possible to pick up 150% of your daily production in 2 trades. It was possible. Not saying it happened. Just saying that's what the market made available. We make the trade available, but the movement, the market makes that available. Now, in this situation, that would mean you have 8 rollover trades and 50% of 1 day's production to roll over. Now think about it. Not only do you head home for the day feeling pretty good about what happened today, as in you made your daily goal, but not only did you make your daily goal, you put away a little something for tomorrow. When you come into work tomorrow morning, you'll have 18 trades to work with. Not just 10, 18. And you'll already have 50% of 1 day's production in the bank. Now, you don't want to use that 50% up unless you actually need it. And obviously, you're not going to use any of your rollover trades unless you actually need them. You want to see that number grow and grow and grow, and allow it to give you that peace of mind that I spoke of. So that's it for the S&P trade on Friday, 6th day of November 2015. Hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room.